What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the zodiac to answer, which signs are the best at manifesting their desires? Ever wanted something so badly you could taste it? That's the magic of manifesting, and some signs have a cosmic edge. But don't worry, manifesting isn't an exclusive club, anyone can learn it. But a few zodiac signs just have that natural spark. So grab your favorite drink and get comfy. We're about to reveal the top manifesting zodiac signs, and what makes them so good at turning dreams into reality. Let's count down the top manifesting zodiac signs. At number 5, it's Pisces, the zodiac's ultimate dreamer. If manifesting was an art, Pisces would be Picasso. Their imagination is their superpower. For Pisces, visualizing isn't a task, it's their natural state. They don't just picture their dreams, they feel, hear, and even smell them in their mind. This vivid imagination makes their manifestations powerful and real. Pisces' intuition is next level. They sense when to act and when to let go, trusting their gut more than any map. Their spiritual connection is deep. They see the universe as a partner, not a distant force. While others stress over details, Pisces surrenders, trusting the cosmic flow to deliver. Their secret? They let go of the how and when, focusing on the feeling of already having what they want. Pisces are the directors of their own life movie, writing, casting, and then handing it to the universe to produce. Their faith is unshakable, and that trust is their manifesting magic. They don't chase, they attract, creating a magnetic pull for their desires. Manifestation for Pisces is a dance, not a struggle. They move with the universe, not against it. Their empathy lets them emotionally connect with their dreams, sending a clear signal to the universe. For Pisces, manifesting is as much about feeling as it is about thinking. So, while they might seem like daydreamers, they're actually powerful creators, building their dreams in their minds before bringing them to life. Pisces teaches us that the first step to achieving anything is daring to dream it. Shout out to all the Pisces. Keep dreaming, keep trusting, and keep weaving your magic. You're the poets and magicians of the zodiac, turning visions into reality. Your ability to see the magic is what helps you create it. Number 4 is Scorpio, the zodiac's master of intensity. If Pisces whispers to the universe, Scorpio commands it. When Scorpios want something, they become it. Their focus is laser sharp, and their emotional depth fuels their desires. Scorpios don't just wish, they pour every ounce of passion and willpower into their goals. Their legendary willpower means obstacles only make them more determined. Scorpios are fearless in facing the dark and transforming pain into power. They work quietly, keeping their intentions private and their energy undiluted. Think of their process like a submarine, silent, deep, and emerging only when the mission is complete. Their intuition is strategic, reading people and situations with uncanny accuracy. Scorpios are fiercely loyal to their goals, sticking with them no matter how tough the journey. Their belief isn't just hope, it's conviction, sending a clear, powerful signal to the universe. They don't get distracted, they're in it for the long haul. For Scorpio, manifestation is about transformation, turning challenges into triumphs. They decide what reality will be and focus all their energy on making it happen. Scorpios remind us that sometimes you have to go all in, face the fire, and emerge stronger. Their persistence and intensity set them apart as manifesting masters. So here's to the Scorpios. Your strength and focus inspire us all. You show us the power of transformation and the magic of unwavering intent. Keep turning your desires into reality, one bold move at a time. You are the alchemists of the zodiac. Manifestation is your superpower. Number 3 is Leo, the zodiac's superstar. If manifesting had a spotlight, Leo would own it. Leos radiate confidence. They don't just hope for success, they expect it. Their belief in themselves is magnetic, drawing people and opportunities their way. Leos shine so brightly the universe can't help but notice. Their positivity and charisma attract abundance, making manifestation look effortless. Like the sun, they don't ask for attention, they simply shine, and everything orbits around them. Leos are generous, celebrating others' wins and creating a cycle of abundance. Their abundance mindset signals to the universe that there's always more to go around. Self-doubt? Leos don't have time for it. They're their own biggest cheerleaders. They visualize success in grand, cinematic terms, always aiming for the top. Leos are natural leaders, unafraid to take center stage and claim their dreams. Their creative energy keeps them in a high-vibe state, perfect for manifesting. When Leos express themselves authentically, they align with the universe's flow. Leos teach us the power of self-love and the magic of believing in ourselves. You remind us we're all stars of our own show, capable of writing a spectacular script. Keep shining, Leos. Your confidence and joy attract the life you deserve. Manifestation is your stage, and you always steal the show. Roar on. At number 2, it's Capricorn, the Zodiac's master builder. If you want a dream built to last, call a Capricorn. Their manifesting style is all about discipline, patience, and strategic planning. Capricorns play the long game, working toward goals with steady, relentless focus. They break big dreams into actionable steps, making the impossible feel achievable. Their ambition is grounded. They know success is earned, not given. Ruled by Saturn, they respect structure and understand that foundations matter. Capricorns do the unglamorous work others skip, ensuring their dreams stand strong. Patience is their superpower. They're willing to wait for the right moment. While others give up, Capricorns keep climbing, one step at a time. For them, action is the most powerful intention. Every move is a step toward their goal. Their reputation for reliability opens doors and builds trust. Capricorns always begin with the end in mind, staying focused and avoiding distractions. Their single-minded vision channels all their energy toward success. They show us that dreams aren't just wished, they're built, brick by brick. Capricorns prove that hard work, discipline, and patience pay off. You are the architects of your destiny, building empires that last. Keep climbing, Capricorns. Your success is earned and unshakable. Manifestation is your blueprint, and you execute it flawlessly. You teach us the value of persistence and the dignity of hard work. The world is built on your dreams. And at number 1, it's Sagittarius, the cosmic explorer. If the universe is a playground, Sagittarius is already on the tallest slide, shouting, "Let's go!" Their manifesting power comes from boundless optimism and unwavering faith. Ruled by Jupiter, they believe the universe is abundant and friendly. Sagittarians don't just hope for the best, they expect it, and that high vibe attracts good fortune. Their faith is a way of life. They trust the path will appear as they leap. Sagittarius is always seeking new experiences, keeping their energy open to opportunity. They don't wait for adventure, they chase it, putting themselves in the path of luck. Their dreams are big and bold, and setbacks are just new adventures. Adaptable and flexible, they pivot easily, trusting detours are part of the journey. People call them lucky, but it's their risk-taking and positivity that create luck. Sagittarians manifest through joy and enthusiasm. Their excitement is contagious. They set intentions, then let go, trusting the universe to deliver. This detachment is advanced manifesting, no anxious energy, just trust. Sagittarius teaches us to believe big, take risks, and enjoy the ride. The journey is the destination, and they make every step an adventure. Keep aiming high, Sagittarians. Your optimism and courage are your manifesting magic. You show us that the best way to predict the future is to create it with joy. Manifestation is your adventure, and you're always ready for the next leap. Dream big, trust bigger, and let the universe surprise you. The world is yours to explore. That's our countdown of the top 5 manifesting zodiac signs, from dreamy Pisces to adventurous Sagittarius. Each sign has its own unique way of co-creating with the universe, but remember, anyone can learn to manifest. If your sign wasn't on the list, don't worry. Manifestation is a skill you can develop. So which sign are you? What are you manifesting right now? Drop it in the comments and let's support each other's dreams. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cosmic content. Thanks for watching. Keep dreaming big.